Here's how to make a Gmail account. Now you need to first open up a web browser. You can see I'm on my iPhone doing this in Safari, but you can do this on Android or computer and on any web browser. It doesn't matter at all. The first thing it will do in Gmail or in Google is type in Gmail. And you'll be able to see it pops up at the very top, email, Gmail. I can just tap on that first link. Now, if you're already signed in, it will already go to your existing Gmail account. But if you don't have one already, just hit the create an account. And you can choose either personal or work or business. In this case, I'm going to choose personal use. It'll first start off just by asking your name. So on here, I'm just going to put my name, Trevor. You can put your last name if you want to. In this case, I'll put Nace here and hit next. Now, it'll ask you for your birthday. So just enter in your birthday here. And then on here, after we've done that, just enter in your gender. You can choose to not say, but I'll just put male on here and hit next. Now, it will pop up with some options. It says, okay, here are a couple different options that you might want to choose for an email address, but you can always choose the create your own here. And you can see I can type in Trevor Nace 10. Oh, didn't spell that right. 10. And see if that's available here. You can see at the very bottom, if it is not available, it will pop up and say you can't do that. But it looks like that's available, so I can hit next here. After that, it will ask you to create a strong password. You can either manually type in a password, or from here, you can just enter in a random password using the autofill. So let's hit the save and autofill and hit next. After we've done that, I'm going to just put here on the email, Trevor Nace 10, and hit save. You need to enter in your phone number. So I'm going to enter in the phone number for my iPhone and hit next as well. And you'll need to enter in that code. So it texts me a quick code, and I don't necessarily need a recovery email. So let's just hit skip here. And now it says review your account. That is the account I've just set up, and the email, just hit next here. It'll have a number of different things. So privacy terms, I can go through and I can hit agree, and I can choose to confirm if I wanted to or go through the process. And after I've done all of that, it will set up my account. Automatically, it will take me to mail.google.com, and this will be my brand new Gmail account for the new account I just set up.